I just swam across from Bird Island back to the boat, and current was so strong that as soon as I got close to the boat, it started sweeping me down away from it, and that was absolutely everything that I could do to get to the boat and cut my foot on an oyster shoal coming over, and so I'm not great right now.
Honey, look what we found!
What did you find?
A mailbox.
Oh!
Look what it says.
Ooh, a mailbox.
Spirits.
So what is this? So apparently, according to these two ladies who guarantee the factual basis of this mailbox was put here in the 70s as kind of a way to capture people's stories and what they wanted to jot down, secret loves and tales of woe, and over the years the
we just lost a note.
mega fail
So fail.
has grown to like a series of journals, and people will stop in here and pen little bits of stories or just sit and read them, and so this is pretty cool. It's a kindred spirit mailbox here right on the border of North Carolina, South Carolina on the Atlantic. So well, this is your show. You're the one supposed to say something.
Take two.
Go, and action.
We are on the border of South Carolina and North Carolina on the beach. We're doing the border dance. Border dance. La la. South Carolina, North Carolina.
I don't know where our dinghy is. Holy shit. And this gets deep fast. Shit, I didn't tie it to anything either. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. Really don't know. Uh-oh. This is not that funny anymore. Don't walk here, it's oyster shoals. Don't walk here, you're gonna hurt yourself. Oyster shoals.
Please make it to the boat. boat. He is so close, but I don't know how he's swimming with a cut foot. Oh my God, you're so close, honey. Oh. Please make it. Please, please, please. Oh my God, you're so close, honey. Oh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe he made it. Oh my God. Thank you, whoever was watching us right now, because I don't know what I would have done if he couldn't make it across. We have lost our dinghy and his foot is cut up. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope he can get his foot taken care of. It was bleeding all over, like, oh my gosh. Look at his shoe. I don't even know what to say right now. I am so nervous about his foot, and I can't believe he swam across to the boat.
I've called another boat. He's gonna come over with his dinghy and try and help us. Carrie's still on the island, and dinghy is lost. Just taking a look at my bandage. So,
Oh my gosh!
while we're here licking our wounds and eating humble pie by the spoonful,
my eyes out.
lots of humble pie here on our boat. Somebody came by and said that they were kayaking out there and saw our dinghy. So Carrie is going to go and retrieve the dinghy while I sit here and lick my wounds.
I can't even believe it. I've been just hanging out on the boat all morning long, seeing if fishermen would drive by with it, and I saw kayakers come to where I thought it would be, and I asked them.
And our real savior here has been Wayne. His wife bandaged my foot for me. Here he comes in his dinghy to take Carrie over there. Wayne and Susan have been our saviors here.
Susan and the kayakers.
Amazing. Look at what they're dragging behind them. What the cat drug in. The evil escaping dinghy.
And these were the amazing kayakers that helped me find the boat.
Can you loosen your anchor? There we go. Watch your hip. All right, are we all free? All free.
Thanks, guys. Okay, we're free to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Hey, of course. Hey, Zach. Hey, smile. Coast Guard to the rescue.
You guys are my hero! Woo! Thank you!
Tell everybody about this.
I will!
It's a little bit of a bummer passing by a lot of kind of cool stuff that we would normally get off and see, but unfortunately that's how I'm sailing these days. Me and my bum foot.